Okay. More bath.
Okay.
Selling the house. Everything's.
No, I don't need the house, but.
But everything in it is going.
No problem. I like that chair.
Oh, okay. All right.
They're a little rusty, so.
Is your grandmother Bonnie? Because she lived back here somewhere. She passed away.
Yeah, my grandma, Burgestown.
Okay, okay.
Come on.
Mom, we still have like a picture of it.
No, those are on TV.
Okay.
Yeah,
I like them.
yeah, I was in my mind.
There isn't.
I'll be gone.
There's stuff over there. What's that? Yeah. Same.
I have so many books of them. It's ridiculous. I have my own library.
There's not much here either. Couple things. Well, look, you never know.
She did. My brother. Oh, she's probably just busy.
More house coming.
What's that?
It says more house coming.
Oh wait, what was his name? Harry.
So there's more inside?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Lots.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll take this one too. Why isn't it closing? Here, let's see. Maybe this.
I'll do the DVD. I'll do the DVD player.
Okay.
So I'll come back out and grab that if you don't mind.
More bath.
Okay.
Selling the house. Everything's.
No, I don't need the house, but.
But everything in it is going.
No problem. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, well, some. Yeah. And rugs and dining. Oh,
Yeah.
Person who bought it, there's no way. Is there anything in that box there? I don't think anybody will. So let me see them. They're my grandma's. Oh, yes. Are you gonna sell them? If you can get sure. Yeah. $1 each. Look, there's a million. They don't make things like that. No, they don't. Doesn't gonna have her recliner. I know. 6 foot something? Yeah.
Too low to the ground.
Okay.
I might sit. Yeah, I'll get these. Yeah, I know. I'll set them right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that's with the DVD player too outside.
Okay. So that's
Here we go. 3,
5 and 6 is
11, 11.50 so far. I think is that all for down here in your house? Just
Yeah.
just okay.
The backyard has a lot.
Okay.
Of them.
I'll go back there and check real quick, and I can meet you
Okay,
out the porch.
sure,
Does that work?
sure, yeah.
Okay, let's go out and check.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go check the backyard real quick. There's a lot more stuff down here. There's a lot more. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage. How much are the clothes? Or did I miss the sign?
$5 for the shirt.
Okay.
Guess there's a tag in it.
Extra large.
You do see a lot of them get tagged at $5.
Okay. It's too big for her. Extra large. I'll think about that one.
You're the first one to pick that up.
Really?
Yeah. This one you had.
We just saw him last night at the Pirate game.
Okay.
He threw out the first pitch. Then. That's nice. I wish we had room for those.
There's stuff in the house for sale.
Yeah, I was already in there.
Okay.
Grabbed a couple things in there. Grabbed something off the porch. She's like, oh, there's stuff out back. So. Don't need any of that. Don't need to already have a radio at home. I think that might be it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go up and pay. Oh, actually, all of it.
Did you get $200 for the sheet?
Yeah. Hold on. Hold that one. I don't know what this. Yeah, let's go see.
A $5.
Yeah. Okay, let's go see what we got. Got the DVD player out here.
You had something else
The
here?
DVD player out here.
Okay.
Good.
There was something here.
Yep.
So we had 11,
Yep.
12, 13, 14, 20, 26, 50.
That works.
26 is fine.
That works. There's 20. And there's 26.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.